So when you log on to Book Creator, you should have something like this. And then you click on New Book. I'm going to click on Landscape, but there are other choices that we can do. We'll go over that later. The big things you need to worry about are this plus, this I, and this playbook. This is the least thing that we're going to use. But plus is where you import stuff. And then you can import text. Change the text. Move the text around. And you can modify the text. Oh, even here, you can change the color. You can import images. Again, you can move front to back, like what we did with arrangement and drawing. And also in if you choose the page, you can choose backgrounds.